This is the daily weather briefing for South Texas for Thursday, July 18th, 2013, brought to you by the National Weather Service Forecast Office located in Corpus Christi. I'm meteorologist Rob Hart. Today is going to be our last wet day for quite a while. We'll take a look at the details on that coming up shortly. And again, drying trend is expected over the weekend through next week. And we'll wrap up this briefing by taking a look at the tropics. Abundant moisture and still a little bit of instability and a bit of a weather disturbance will create additional showers and thunderstorms throughout South Texas today. The best chances are going to be across the coastal bend, especially the middle and southern coastal bend this morning, with chances developing and shifting to the west across the brush country this afternoon. The area least likely to see activity today is the Victoria area, as drier, more stable air moves into the area. Afternoon high temperatures will be dependent on the amount of cloud cover and rain today, but overall will be in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees, and we should see some sunshine during the midday and afternoon hours, but it will not be a completely sunny day, of course. Overnight lows tonight in the mid to upper 70s. If you're heading to the beach today, pretty dreary out there this morning, but we should see some sunshine this afternoon with highs in the upper 80s. A low risk of rip currents exists today, but again, low risk does not mean there are zero rip currents, so be alert for those. Water temperature is currently in the lower to mid 80s. Only isolated activity is expected tomorrow, with a continuation of isolated, mainly afternoon showers and thunderstorms over the weekend, but for the most part we will remain dry. Highs will be in the lower to mid 90s across the east and mid to upper 90s across the brush country and Rio Grande Plains. Gulf of Mexico this morning. Satellite imagery indicates showers and thunderstorms across the west central Gulf moving into South Texas. But for the most part, the Gulf of Mexico is quiet today and is expected to remain quiet over the next several days. No tropical cyclone formation is expected during the next 48 hours in the Gulf of Mexico, and as well as the open Atlantic and the Caribbean Sea. That's going to do it for today's weather briefing. Don't forget, for the very latest weather information, check out our website at weather.gov/Corpus Christi, or for a recorded forecast, you can call 289-1861. But for now, we thank you for watching.